I'll be showing you how to remove green screen in Photoshop. First, you want to go to the right hand side. You'll see that it says background. Double click it. You will now see a little pop-up. Just press OK. This will unlock the layer so you can edit the picture. Now you want to go to Magic Wand tool. Click on any part of the green screen you want to delete. Now you want to press backspace on your keyboard. This will delete the area you selected. Do this for the remaining green screen. If you double click inside the marching ants, it will deselect. Now for smaller remaining green screen, just go to the eraser tool and erase the remaining bits.